fuck you mean, hello from Mississippi? What the fuck wrong with you, bro? The fuck is you doing in Mississippi, gang? The fuck do you got going on in Mississippi? Is it even a fucking McDonald's down there? Is it KFC in that bitch? Is that a nigga state? The fuck wrong with you? Brit Brat, appreciate that 5 subs, man. Appreciate that 5 subs. Appreciate it. But listen. Appreciate that 5 subs. You know how Alabama is a racist state to black people? Mississippi is a racist state to everybody. Whites, Mexicans. Shit is not cool. You talk about hate for Mississippi. Nigga, leave Mississippi. Fuck wrong with you? What's your nigga wood? Hey, what's good, bro? Where you from? Mississippi? Nigga, I must beat your motherfucking ass. Hate for Mississippi. Everybody, to my brother, Cinco, Deshae, T.O., Derek, Baby Rich. These niggas, we got a lot to prove. So, everybody is holding out. You know how my brother be having these great ass ideas? He have a great stream idea. Deshae have a great stream idea, and then it just you'll randomly say he doing it tomorrow, right? They're not doing that. We are waiting until our house reveal, right? And then I'm telling y'all, everybody got something big going on, bro. So that's why we not streaming. We're not streaming because we want to do it at the right moment, bro. We got a lot going on, bro. We got a lot going on. So our house, bro, this Capaholics group, all this shit that we going, this is why niggas is on chill, no deal. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that I'm gonna start doing different is y'all know how I don't have guests or nothing. I'm changing that. So I got guests right now that I got planned for the, man, I'm trying to tell you, bro. The trailer's done. Everything is done. It just makes sense. We got a date now and it makes sense. Everything's done. I got something up with Dave Bunce. Pause. Real shit. Prayers for my nigga Saucy Santana, man. Prayer hands for my nigga Saucy, man. See, man, we got the prayers to you, Saucy. We hope you be good, man. We on stream, man. Everybody praying for you, gang. Praying for you. All right. Good looking, y'all. I got to say that to him. But look at this. My brother Sauce was apparently, y'all, right? My brother Saucy went to Waffle House and was enjoying an all-American special from Waffle House. He got extra cinnamon on his pancake, on his waffle. He got his eggs scrambled with cheese. He was on some ball and shit, so he got bacon and sausage. The sausage was well done. And he got some grits and bread on the side. Strawberry jelly. So as he eating that, I guess his blood pressure go up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I guess his blood pressure shoot up the roof or something because he did have a lot of syrup and butter and sugar. So I guess his blood pressure blew off the roof. So let's pause. So let's see. I didn't watch this yet, right? Because I wanted to watch it with y'all.
Big ball in the mini, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
So you see he at the Waffle House. As you can see, I don't know what shoes those are, so I can't confirm that this is Saucy Santana. I don't know about the shoes that look like somebody auntie. I can't tell. I really can't get a visual. Hey, DJ Gemini. DJ Gemini. Why the fuck do you have a J Cinco emoji, bro? What the fuck is, bro? You been tripping, bro. I ain't streamed nothing but 4 times this month, and every time I fucking stream, I gotta say something to you, nigga. Why the fuck is you spamming J Cinco motherfucking pictures in my shit? What the fuck is wrong with you, gang? DJ, you been on some bullshit. I streamed 2 times this month. 2! Ray, appreciate that sub. Alright, so we can't, we don't know who that is. Alright, so that's a long, that now we for sure, that's either Angel Reese over there, that's Angel Reese, or we for sure that's a nigga. Cause that motherfucker long as hell, pause. I ain't never met a bitch legs that motherfucking long. I never met a girl that goddamn long. Now, what we looking at is to see if this is actually Saucy Santana. So, niggas is in this bitch saying that's me. I know niggas ain't in there saying that's me. Chat, y'all, I know niggas ain't saying that's me. Wait, what did I say? That's your... What did I say while y'all said that's your nigga? I didn't say that. Did I say that? Sav, did I say that? Why they... No, I didn't. Here come crack, man. Man, my bad. But listen, Saucy, this has to be Saucy because of the length of the nigga. Listen, Saucy, how tall is Saucy? Because I ain't never seen no girl with no long torso like this. His thighs is the black. Wait, oh my God, hold on. Oh my God, wait, is this nigga on his stomach, laying on his stomach? Is this nigga laying on, is that his ass? Pause. Is that his ass? Because if it is, I'm clicking off this video. Oh, his feet up. Oh, shit. Dude, bro. What the, bro, I am really fucking, listen, y'all. What the fuck is wrong with my brain, bro? How the fuck is he going to be on his stomach if his feet was up? All right, let's look at the rest of this video. Let's start over.
On the sleeves like him, big ball in the mini, y'all. So hold on. These Saucy Santana, y'all.
Okay, so at this point, right? At this point, this could be 2 people. It could be Saucy Santana, or it could be Derek. It's 2 people. This could be Derek or Saucy Santana. I just don't know. Real shit. Hey, real shit. If I pass out, right? If I pass out at motherfucking Chili's, why, man, listen to me. If I pass out at Chili's while eating some fucking ribs, and I wake up on a stretcher, and a motherfucker out there recording me getting on the stretcher after I choked on the rib, bro, oh my God, listen. You getting sued, facts. And if I find out, I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass, nigga. The fuck is you recording me at this dire time for? My nigga almost died. And then you, Saucy Santana finna come out. You don't think I'm embarrassed? Nigga, I just choked on a fucking waffle. My nigga, I just choked on a fucking waffle, my nigga. My nigga, I choked on a fucking waffle, and you calling the police? You recording me, bitch? I'm embarrassed as fuck. Imagine this phone call right here. Imagine this. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the hospital. How you know? Yeah, I choked on a motherfucking waffle and almost passed out. How the fuck you know I'm in the motherfucking hospital? I ain't calling nobody. It's your motherfucking Twitter. So you telling me they got my big ass on the stretcher choking on a motherfucking pancake? Bro, you know how fucking heated I would be? Bro, I'd be heated. Bro, I'd be so mad, bro. My mama called me talking about, you choked on the rib? I'm like, how the fuck you know I choked on the rib? What? Nigga, this is something he want. I don't even listen. We ain't even confirmed if this him yet. We ain't even confirmed if this Saucy Santana yet. We ain't even concerned. How the fuck? Let me ask y'all this. Listen. Why the fuck is it taking us 24 minutes to watch a 22-second video? Why the fuck is it taking us 24 minutes for a 22-second video? This is probably not even him. Let's look back. All right, let's watch it all the way through.
On Tuesday, him, in the minute, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
All right, before we even get into this, right? We need to stop stopping, right? The thing is like, do this nigga got a dress on? Cause this can't be motherfucking Saucy Santana. This is some shit that auntie wear to go get the mail. It ain't no motherfucking way this Saucy Santana. It ain't no way. It's a dress.
On Tuesday, him, in the minute, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
Wait, hold on. What the fuck was that nigga? Bro, listen. They got the ambulance here for the wrong nigga. They got the ambulance here for the wrong nigga. Look at this nigga.
So hold on.
Wait. This nigga didn't pass the fuck out. Wait. They got the ambulance for the wrong nigga, bro. How this nigga go from this, that, to that? He got... Yo, shit! They got the wrong nigga! Alright, let's watch the video.
On Tuesday, him, in the minute, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
So dog couldn't walk his... listen, you 6'5". Steve, appreciate that gifted. You 6'8". You couldn't walk your ass out that goddamn Waffle House. You had to get put on a gurney, bro. What? You had to get put on a stretcher? Bro, what the fuck is you? All right, listen, y'all. Let's see if this Saucy Santana. All right.
On Tuesday, him in the middle, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
This nigga said, "I'm gonna leave, dumbass. Stop. Not no more. Blocked. Beat it." All right, now we gotta start over. Hold on.
On Tuesday, him in the middle, y'all. So hold on. This Saucy Santana, y'all.
Wait, is this nigga, bro? Ain't no way this is. Wait, that's not him. That's not him. No, that is him. He got the APO. That nigga got the APO, dog. Passed out in the Waffle House.
In the middle, y'all.
Man, pray for Saucy, bro. Damn, they done slapped. Man, they done over-seasoned my nigga eggs, dog. Too much garlic salt on my nigga eggs, dog. Damn. Too much garlic salt on my nigga eggs, nigga. Then ran my nigga, when I say my nigga, I'm talking about... Man. Hey, y'all, for real, man. Pray for Saucy, bro. Pray for Saucy. Let me see if I can find a longer video, though. Let me see if I can find a longer video. Damn, bro. It gotta be the full video.
You and Stephon Diggs.
Damn, man, my nigga done passed out, bro. Damn. That nigga done passed out, bro.
Taking to the FBI, bro, so I made it.
Damn, my nigga passed out. All right, so listen. This is a different thing about the black community, right? And my nigga, listen. Don't get this misconstrued, right? Rain is my homie. I fuck with Rain. W Rain in the chat. But this is the difference between the black community and, even though my nigga Rain ain't white, I'm gonna say white community, right? Or non-black community, right? My nigga Rain, right, found out that his homie was a P word, right? He did the most human shit ever. Like, regular human. My nigga reported this nigga to the FBI, bro. Like, he reported this nigga. Look, listen to this. Look.
Do it, bro. I just had to fucking do it. I obviously gave him the invitation to, speak out about it. I said, listen, bro, I'd obviously rather you tell the fucking truth, but if you don't want to do that, fucking take it to the FBI, bro. So I made a fucking case. I recorded it too, just in case, even though I know they record it. But the reason I even went with the FBI is I have so much more details now. So I was like, you know what, let's fucking go to the FBI, man. Which is insane. Never thought I'd ever go to the fucking FBI in my life. But the reason why also is you can't lie to the FBI without going to jail. You know what I'm saying? You can't go. You can lie to a cop. People lie to the cop left and right. You can lie to cops all day, but you cannot lie to the FBI. So, also anybody that has any sort of working brain cells, if you think I would ever lie about somebody who did some shit like that,
Bro, all I'm saying, right, is if I did some shit like this, bro, they'd be on some this snitch ass nigga. I'll be done. Like, say, I don't want to put those allegations on nobody, right? But like, this nigga, it did the realest shit. His homie was wrong. And not only did he expose the nigga, that nigga called the FBI on the nigga. You said it's weird he waited years. It's not weird. Bro, it ain't about, it don't matter when, like, bro, it doesn't matter, right? The fact of the matter is that if this was a black person doing this, it'd be crucified. But Rain did it. That's the logical thing to do. I'm not gonna lie, like a human wise, not race, not where you been, not your hood. That's the reasonable thing to do. You know what I'm saying? It's reasonable. You know what I'm saying? Hella reasonable. Because it's the logical thing to do. But black people, bro, it would have been, bro, you a snitch. But that's just funny to me. That's what I'm saying. Is it snitching? Right? Did he snitch? Or is he protecting the community? Did he snitch? Or is he protecting the community? I'm saying he protecting the community. W Rain in the chat, man. W Rain in the chat. I ain't gonna lie though. If I was tempered, boy, I would have fired on Rain, but I don't know.